So my aim for this project was to create and distribute 150 hygiene kits, which included masks, sanitizers, soaps, and sanitary napkins. This activity helped me explore the global context, fairness, and development under the strand Imagining a Hopeful Future, as hygiene kits help in maintaining proper personal hygiene, which impacts every individual's way of life. Especially right now, we're living in the middle of a dangerous pandemic with no knowledge of when our lives will go back to normal. Because of COVID, many people have lost their jobs as shopkeepers, bike fixers, house cleaners, and etc. Since they have nothing to fall back on, they start struggling to pay rent, buy food, and remain hygienic, which is one of the most important things during a virus. I wanted to do this so that these people are more aware and hygienic to ensure that they live through this virus. The SDG I addressed is clean water and sanitation, and it's a direct service. To do this project, I partnered with the Bugya Foundation and provided all the girls there with hygiene kits. Other than that, I normally distributed them on the roads to auto drivers, DDs, and construction workers as well. In the end, I think I did reach my learning goals. I aimed to develop my social and organization skills, which I did. I planned to conduct a drive in my society, which I did. And I also contacted some small businesses outside my colony who provided me with the masks. I plan to take this project further by collaborating with other foundations and donating supplies to them.